registrar.
And I will follow through, making sure you know I appreciate all that you do. Knowing the problems, they are in our mind. And if we are honest, we will always find peace and joy, health and love. You are a gift from above. There is no doubt of my dependence, but my transcendence was dependent on looking at you with a reverence that I should look at myself with. This was a gift to see divine in you, because it flowered in me an eternity.